Hello my fellow cryptocurrency enthusiasts. I am delighted to welcome you to our channel. My name is Mike and I am a passionate supporter of cryptocurrencies. As some of you may already know, I manage one of the most significant cryptocurrencies and arbitrage channels on YouTube. So, today, I am excited to share with you my latest trade involving XRP. You are likely aware that XRP recently won a significant legal battle, causing its price to surge by nearly 100%. However, it retraced back to just 5 cents as the overall cryptocurrency market faced some challenging times. But fret not, my friends, as we're not going to let market volatility deter us from making profits. So, at the time of making this video, XRP is trading at approximately $0.052. This presents a fantastic opportunity to apply my cryptocurrency arbitrage strategy, which involves taking advantage of price differences between two exchanges to make a profit. I will walk you through this step by step, and you can follow along easily. So, we'll be trading XRP, but you can literally use this strategy with other cryptocurrencies too. For example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Cardano, Dogecoin, and even Solana. Our primary exchanges will be the popular Binance and another trustworthy exchange, ByteMake.com. Comparing the XRP prices on Binance and ByteMake.com, you'll notice that it's around 14% higher on ByteMake.com. This means we can purchase XRP on Binance and sell it on ByteMake.com for a 14 to around a 15% profit based off of our initial investment. Now, let's delve into the trading process. We'll start with an example of $4,500 for our investment. Keep in mind, this is our initial amount. So, number one, on Binance, purchase XRP for approximately $4,500. Then, number two, transfer the bought XRP to ByteMake.com by accessing your wallet, visiting the deposits page, copying the XRP deposit address, and initiating the transfer. Number three, once the XRP arrives at ByteMake.com, go to the trading page and sell it at a price of 15 to 17% higher than the purchase price. This results in a profit of around $675 or more based off of your initial investment. Now, withdraw USDT back to Binance by visiting the withdrawal tab, entering the withdrawal address from Binance, and using the TRC20 network for its speed and low fees. Click the withdrawal button to initiate the transaction. As you can see, the funds are successfully transferred back to Binance, resulting in a profit of 16% on our initial $4,500 investment, which equates to over $675 in profit. This demonstrates that the larger the starting amount, the higher the potential profit from each trade. You can repeat this process multiple times, of increasing the initial amount to accumulate even more profit. It takes just about 15 minutes of your time. So I highly recommend utilizing this strategy before it potentially gets fixed. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and click the notification bell to stay up to date and never miss out on a future publication. Wishing you all substantial profits, and I will see you soon.